Hi students, welcome to Ganesh sir classes. In the series of diseases chapter, we have completed tuberculosis and second chapter, that is a cholera. This is caused by bacteria. Okay, this disease is caused by what? Bacteria. That bacteria name is called Vibrio cholerae. Now, please take down the notes along with me. Now we have discussed about tuberculosis already. Tuberculosis is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis, whereas cholera is caused by Vibrio cholerae. Vibrio cholerae. Vibrio cholerae. What do you mean by Vibrio means? Vibrio means comma shaped bacteria. Whenever we examine under the microscope, okay, they are the comma shaped. So the bacteria is a comma shaped and it is causing a cholera. Because of that reason we are calling it as Vibrio cholerae. Now what is the incubation period? What is the incubation period of the cholera is few hours to 6 days. Within the hours, see, whenever you took a food or you took a food or water you took, let's say if the concentration or the amount of the bacteria is too much, then instantly within the hours only we'll get a motion, that is diarrhea. Or if we consumed less in a quantity in the contaminated food and water, then it may takes us 6 days. It may takes what? 6 days. What is the mode of contamination? What is the mode of contamination? What is the mode of contamination? The mode of contamination is, as I discussed, contaminated food and water, contaminated food and water, and it is also spread by flies. Spread by what? Flies. Now, what are the symptoms of the cholera? What are the symptoms of the cholera? The symptoms of the cholera is acute diarrhea. Okay, acute diarrhea. Acute diarrhea. What do you mean by acute? Acute means it will stay for like lesser period. It is not a chronic. We find two words we used to, like, whenever we are studying diseases we come across two words. One is acute, second one is chronic. Chronic. Acute means it is for a short period of time, whereas chronic is a longer period of time. Longer period of time. If we suffer for a shorter period of time, let's say within a days, or like let's say week, within a week, so it is acute. Acute means onset is so high, the disease symptoms might show very high. Whereas chronic means if a disease stays for more than weeks or months and years together, if we suffer with the disease, it's called chronic disease. Okay, so you have understood acute and diarrhea. Diarrhea means passing of the stools in the liquid form. Okay, excessive amount of the liquid is passed off. Whenever there is a diarrhea, complete liquid content and electrolyte content which is there in the body, electrolyte content which is there in the body, it will get washed away, okay, with the motions. So there is a chances of the deaths are more. And developing countries and sub-Saharan countries, majority of their death rate, okay, the 10% of the death rate is shared by this diarrhea, and that to the cholera. So what is the symptom? The first symptom is acute diarrhea. Okay, then second symptom is vomiting. Okay, vomiting. And next symptom is abdominal abdominal pain. I request you, please take down the notes. Okay, abdominal pain. And dehydration dehydration. And another symptom is reduced urination. reduced urination, reduced urination. These are the few symptoms: acute diarrhea, vomiting, abdominal pain, dehydration, and reduced urination. Now, how we can prevent this? Okay, what is the prevention? Prevention is, we need to use a purified water. We need to use the purified water. Okay, or we can control the flies, we can control the flies, and avoid exposed food, avoid exposed food, exposed food, and take few antibiotics. Okay, anti-cholera, uh, antibiotics are there. We need to take the antibiotics. These are the like preventive measures. Now, in the competitive exam, what do they ask? What is the what cholera is? What cholera is the bacterial infected disease. What is the causative organism? Vibrio cholerae is the causative organism. So what are its symptoms? Okay, and what are the mode of contamination? This question will definitely ask in the examination. If you haven't watched about the previous classes like introduction to the diseases and tuberculosis, please do watch. And we have completed biotechnology. Okay, complete series has been completed, and I have given introduction to the robotics and space technology also. If you haven't watched them, please do watch. And if you like this content, please do share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.